Hello everyone, Namaste. I am going to tell about the products which will be available at the time of online shopping mall opening. We will be starting with 39 products in India. And the first product is Atomy the Fame Skincare Set. The MRP of this product is 9,100 rupees, whereas you will get 60,000 PV when you purchase this product. If you buy individual products, then sum total of MRP is 10,100 rupees. So if you buy a set, then you will save 1,000 rupees. The price in Korea is around 5,000 rupees without tax, whereas in India it is 6,700 rupees, which is nearly 35% higher than Korea. At the same time, PVs in Korea are 44,000, whereas in India it is 60,000 PVs, which is also 35% higher than Korea. This rule is applicable all across our product line. Our second product is Atomy toothpaste. Atomy toothpaste is available in two variants. One is 50 gram, which consists of 4 tubes, and second one is 200 gram, which consists of 5 tubes. Our third product is Atomy toothbrush. Atomy toothbrush is also available in two variants. One is Atomy toothbrush for adults and second one is Atomy compact toothbrush for kids. You will get this product at 1000 MRP and you will get 6000 PV when you purchase a Atomy toothbrush. Our next product is Atomy oral care system. Atomy oral care system consists of one toothbrush, one toothpaste 50 gram and one interdental brush. Interdental brush is very useful to remove the stuck particles from the teeth. Our next product is Atomy hand soap. During this pandemic corona, maintaining hygiene and washing hand is very essential. So we brought this product at the launch itself. Our next product is Atomy Daily Mask. Atomy Daily Mask are available in 3 variants and the MRP of this product is 1000 rupees and you will get 4000 PVs. Our next product is Atomy sunscreen. Sunscreen also available in 2 variants. One is beige and second one is white, and pack size of this product is 60 ml. Our next product is Atomy BB cream. Atomy BB cream contains SPF 30 PA++. And pack size of this product is 40 ml. Our next product is Atomy Healthy Glow Base. This product also contains SPF 30 PA++ and pack size of this product is 33 ml. Our next product is Atomy Evening Care Set. In this set, there are 4 individual products and all these individual products will also be available separately. The sum total of MRP of individual product is 3,600 rupees, whereas when you buy in set, then the price of the same is 3,300. So you will save nearly 300 rupees by purchasing a set. Our next product is Atomy Hydra Brightening Set. Atomy Hydra Brightening Set consists of 2 individual products, but we will not be having individual product at the time of launch separately. Definitely we will bring this product after some time. Our next product is Atomy Scalp Care Set. Atomy Scalp Care Set consists of scalp care shampoo and scalp care conditioner. Both are available in 500 ml. Our next product is Atomy Hair and Body Set. Atomy Hair and Body Set consists of 4 individual products, out of which 3 individual products will be available separately. Atomy Herbal Hair Tonic will not be available separately. Instead of that, we will be having Atomy Sangmodang Hair Tonic. Pack size of the same is 200 ml. Our next product is Atomy Herbal Hair Treatment. Atomy Herbal Hair Treatment pack size is 200 ml. MRP of the product is 800 rupees and you will get 3,700 PV from this product. Our next product is Atomy Hair Essential Oil. Pack size of same is 100 ml. This product is very essential in India because many people are facing hair fall and hair related issues. That's why we are launching this product also at the time of online shopping mall launch. Our next product is Atomy Cleansing Travel Kit. Atomy Cleansing Travel Kit consists of 6 individual products. All are available in 40 ml. Our next product is Atomy The Fame Skincare Travel Kit. This is a mini version of our Atomy The Fame Skincare Set. This product is very useful at the time of travel. This product consists of 4 individual products. Our next product is Atomy Scrubber. This is a multi-purpose scrubber which consists of 4 scrubber in one pack. And MRP of this product is 600 rupees and you will get 1200 PV. Our last product is Atomy Stainless Scrubber. This consists of 2 scrubbers and PVs from this product will be 1000 PVs. This is all about 39 products which will be available at the time of online shopping mall opening. Now we will go into details about 3 products. Ishita will come and describe Atomy The Fame Skincare Set and I will be back after some time. Thank you.